Hi! Welcome to another video with Miss Mando. In case you don't know me, my name is Mando, I'm a German teacher and together we're going to learn German. So let's get started. Well, today I'm going to be talking about plural form in German. I'm going to give you 5 important rules on how to apply plural in German nouns. Before we start this video, I want to remind you guys one thing. The plural form of the definite article der, die, das is always die. So let's start now with the rules. So first rule, very easy. Masculine and neuter nouns with the endings er, en, el, gen, and lein get nothing. So this means that the plural form of these nouns will be the exact same as the singular form. For example, der Koffer, die Koffer, das Mädchen, die Mädchen. However, sometimes, but not always, if you see the vowels a, o, and o in the noun, then you might have to add some umlaut over them. Like in der Apfel, but die Äpfel. Second rule, many masculine nouns just get an E at the end. For example, der Tisch, die Tische. Similar to the first rule, if there is a, o, and u inside the noun, then you might have to put umlaut. For example, der Stuhl and die Stühle. Third rule, some masculine and neuter nouns with a single syllable in German get the ending er. For example, das Kind, die Kinder. Similar to the first and second rule, if you see any of the a, o, or o, then you might have to add umlaut. For example, der Mann and die Männer. Though, what happens with the feminine nouns, right? Most feminine nouns get the ending n or en. For example, die Lampe, die Lampen, die Uhr, and die Uhren. And the fifth rule, nouns with the endings a, I, and o, as well as foreign words, just get an S at the end. For example, das Auto and die Autos. Be careful here. Nouns that end with an in get a nen at the end. So, die Lehrerin, die Lehrerinnen, die Schülerin, die Schülerinnen. Nouns with the ending get the ending n in plural. For example, das Gymnasium, die Gymnasien. Last but not least, the nouns with the ending ma in singular will be n in plural. For example, das Thema and die Themen, not die Themas. So there are many exceptions to these rules. Therefore, my advice is to learn the nouns on a case-by-case basis. However, you can refer to these rules anytime, and I hope they were very helpful to you. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Tschüss!